Good afternoon everyone, welcome back to another Oliver's Cars and Reviews YouTube video where you join me here in Homebush, Sydney. You do. We are here for the Automotive Dimensions 6th birthday car show. So I already see a bunch of cool cars coming in already. We've got my beautiful Statesman here. We have two beautiful GTRs, R33 and R34, and there's plenty more cars coming your way very, very soon. Also, did you know that 88% of you viewers are still not subscribed? Please hit that subscribe button down below, hit the notification bell, come hang out. We do fun car things here on Oliver's Cars and Reviews. And also make sure to follow all of my socials, Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. Links will be down in the description below. But anyways, let's get to those cars, shall we? This should be a really fun night here in Homebush, here in Sydney, for the Automotive Dimensions 6th birthday car show. Check out this toughie. Oh yeah. Look at this blue chromed Mustang. Hell yeah, brother. Oh my God, that looks gorgeous. Hell yeah. For free. Look at that. GTS. I love the 812 GTS, mate. Thanks, go follow all of his cars and reviews. Look at that, 812 GTS. Ferrari, I love that. Type R driver, all of his cars and reviews, go subscribe. We got S15 over here. Old mate's getting a pamphlet. Go subscribe, mate. Got 66 Mustang. All of his cars and reviews, go subscribe. Love this Mustang. Oh yeah. Got a nice E30 Beamer. Love that. VK Brock. Go subscribe, mate. R34 GCR, go subscribe. Subscribe, mate. Hey, no worries. Go subscribe, mate. Thank you, mate. No worries. Hell yes. That looks hot. Woo! Got a truck hooker here. We got rotary. Here you go, mate. All of his cars and reviews. Here you go, mate. All of his cars and reviews. Love the car, mate.
No, thanks, brother.
No worries. Look at that. Look at this ute. I really like this ute over here. Lovely ute. There's still more coming in. We've got Evo 8 over here. The XY GT over here. On Simmons wheels. Now that's really cool. All of his cars and reviews YouTube. Tough Statesman. Look at this R33 GTR. And also R34 GTR. Look at that. A nice VF here. Corolla Sportivo, you don't see those every day. Oh, you will. SRT YouTube channel there. Capella RE YouTube channel, mate. Got a GTR. Nissan GTR. Hey mate, YouTube channel right there. YouTube channel there. YouTube channel, mate. YouTube channel, mate. Look at that, that is gorgeous. Look at this Shelby E500. This is wicked. Have a look at that. Hell yeah. AMG 253. This is Sydney car culture at its finest. Purple STI as well. Have a look at that. That's lovely. Holden Gemini. Nissan Sylvia. Oh yes. I love the plate. Exorcist. Love the plate. Exorcist. Look at this XB over here. Really nice XB Falcon. With the factory sunroof, you don't see that every day. Go follow all of his cars and reviews. Very nice Mazda MX-5.
Yeah, thank you.
Mustang Eleanor. Really like this. Go follow, mate. We got a Mitsubishi Lancer. Got Toyota Corona. That's pretty cool. Go follow all of his cars and reviews. Have a good night. Nice, nice. XC. The XC Falcon. Really like that, mate. Go follow. Very lovely. VH. Go follow.
Thank you, mate.
Very nice Corolla Sportivo. I think I gave you one, didn't I?
Yeah, you did.
Also got another Corolla Sportivo. Go follow all of his cars and reviews. Oh, we've got another Sportivo here. Go follow all of his cars and reviews, mate. We've got the Sportivo crew here. Go follow all of his cars and reviews, mate.
Thanks, buddy.
No worries. We got BMW M3 competition over here. Look at that. We got another M3 competition. Look at that. That is lovely. We got another M3 competition. And look at that. We got another M3 competition. This thing. Hell yes. Nice Mustang. Hey, go follow my YouTube channel, mate. Hold on. Go follow my YouTube channel. Nice Eleanor Ford Mustang. Go follow my YouTube channel. You're welcome. Oh, we got a chook hooker here. We got the chook hooker.
Go the cooker.
Go the chook hooker. Got another chook hooker. Follow all of his cars and reviews. We've got a tough Stato here.
There you go, bro.
Good, thanks. No worries. Go follow my YouTube channel. Tough Stato over here.
Mate.
Go follow my YouTube channel.
Yeah, easy, thanks, mate.
Almost that one. We've got Evo 4 over here.
3.
Evo 3. Close. Go follow my YouTube channel, mate.
Cheers, mate. Certainly will.
No worries. Got a lovely Evo 3 over here. We've got Toronto XC1. Go follow my channel, mate.
Thank you.
VK Brock. Go follow my channel, mate. Go follow my YouTube channel, mate. Another E92 M3, E92. Go follow my YouTube channel. We've got the Audi squad here. Follow my YouTube channel, mate.
Thanks.
No worries. Go follow my YouTube channel. Love the GR Corolla. Volkswagen Golf R. Go follow my YouTube channel.
Yeah, alright. Thank you.
No worries. Go follow my YouTube channel, all this cars and reviews. This GT500. Go follow my YouTube channel, mate. No worries. Go follow my YouTube channel, bro.
Cheers, mate.
Go follow my YouTube channel. YouTube channel, Oliver's Cars and Reviews. Go follow. Lovely Rexy. Got a FPV F6 over here as well. That is really cool. G'day mate, go follow Oliver's Cars and Reviews on YouTube.
Cheers, buddy.
No worries. GDS Monaro.
Yep.
Go follow Oliver's Cars and Reviews on YouTube. Got a Chev here. Very nice Bel Air. Nice Beamer. Go follow Oliver's Cars and Reviews on YouTube. Very nice SV6 on Simmons wheels. I really like that. Go follow Oliver's Cars and Reviews on YouTube. 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 Look at this Lamborghini Huracan. Go follow Oliver's Cars and Reviews on YouTube. Look at this Lamborghini Aventador. Look at that. McLaren 720S. Go follow Oliver's Cars and Reviews on YouTube. Look at that, B0. Got a nice Evo here. Go follow Oliver's Cars and Reviews on YouTube. Very nice XW.